Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning back in. And in this video, we're going to talk about 12 things that we can declutter right now, right after you finish watching this video. The first one is skincare and makeup. I know it's very easy to just hold on to makeup and skincare that we love and we really like, and there's still some left in the bottle, but it's just taking up space. So go ahead and get rid of that. Get rid of makeup brushes. Makeup brushes. How many makeup brushes do we not own? I mean, come on, it's so easy to buy those makeup brush sets and just keep buying more of those, or just buy one here, one there, and when you come to realize you have a whole bunch of makeup brushes that you don't even reach out for anymore. The second one is get rid of any gifts that you've been gifted and you don't use. I know it may make you sad, or you may feel bad for getting rid of it, but you're not using it. That person have probably already noticed that you haven't used it, so just give it forward. Give it to someone else that can actually get some use out of it. Next one is books, right? It's so easy to hold on to books, and I know there's some books that you will like to read multiple times, so look through your books collection and get rid of the ones that you know you've already gotten the best or the most that you can get out of it. So just, again, give it forward and let someone else have a turn. The next one is a pretty good one. Socks without a pair. I know that happens to all of us. So get rid of those pair that are lonely lying around and that you will most likely not use again. Get rid of clothes with holes. Now, you don't want to be walking around with a nice shirt that has a hole in it. Doesn't matter how pretty it is, doesn't matter how new it is. If it has a hole, get rid of it. Get rid of cards and receipts that you have in your backpack, and in your purse, in your handbag, anywhere. Just get rid of all those extra things that you carry with you day to day that's just holding up more space. Get rid of those old sheets. Those sheets that you may still have because they're comfy, nice and cozy, and you just love them, but it's probably time for new sheets and a new feel. Get rid of painful heels. What heels aren't painful? Get rid of anything that you can find online, like a dictionary, encyclopedia, cookbooks. These are things that are just taking up space in your life, but you can just go online and look it up yourself, and just save yourself that space that you can use it for something else. Clean out your pantry. How many times have you not checked into your pantry and realized you've had this condiment or this sauce, something in a can or whatever it is, and you realize you've had it like for so many months or even years? Look into it and make sure you get rid of all the things you don't need. That also goes with the bathroom. Check your bathroom drawers, check everything. Make sure you only keep the things that you reach out to the most, the things that you actually use. The rest is just taking up space. Last but certainly not least, get rid of all the dry nail polish. I know there's so many beautiful colors that we've had for years, months, and now it's like, want to get rid of it, but just get rid of it. You can take a picture of the name and get the same one, get it again. Or actually, there's a small tip that may or may not work. You can add nail polish remover into the nail polish and shake it up. That may work. And if it doesn't work, then you definitely have to get rid of it. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning back in and taking the time out of your busy schedule to watch this video. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you. Go ahead and comment down below if you have any thoughts, opinions, or if you want to share something, leave it down in the comment section below. Give me a thumbs up if you did like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.